Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today we're diving into the world of AI and discussing why edge AI chips are replacing cloud AI infrastructure. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of our lives, from smart home devices to self-driving cars. But have you ever wondered how AI processes massive amounts of data in real time? That's where edge AI chips come in. These specialized chips are designed to perform AI tasks at the edge of a network, closer to where the data is being generated. This is in contrast to cloud AI infrastructure, where data is sent to a central server for processing. So why are edge AI chips gaining popularity and replacing cloud AI infrastructure? The key insight here is speed and efficiency. Edge AI chips are able to process data much faster than cloud AI infrastructure. This is because they eliminate the need for data to travel back and forth between devices and the cloud server, reducing latency and improving response time. This is especially crucial for applications that require real-time decision-making, such as self-driving cars or medical devices. Moreover, edge AI chips are also more energy efficient. With cloud AI infrastructure, data needs to be transmitted over long distances, consuming a significant amount of energy. In contrast, edge AI chips are designed to process data locally, minimizing energy consumption and reducing costs for businesses. But it's not just about speed and efficiency. The shift towards edge AI chips also addresses security concerns. With data being processed and stored locally, there's less risk of sensitive information being intercepted during transmission. This is especially important for industries dealing with sensitive data, such as healthcare and finance. So, who is leading the way in edge AI chip technology? Some of the biggest players include NVIDIA, Intel, and Qualcomm. They have been investing heavily in research and development, continuously improving the capabilities of edge AI chips. But what does this mean for tech professionals and enthusiasts? Well, for starters, it's crucial to stay updated on the latest developments in edge AI chip technology. As this trend continues to grow, it's expected that there will be a higher demand for individuals with skills in edge computing, AI, and data analytics. Additionally, for businesses looking to integrate AI into their operations, it's important to consider the benefits of edge AI chips over cloud AI infrastructure. It may be a more cost-effective and efficient option for their specific needs. In conclusion, edge AI chips are revolutionizing the way we process and analyze data. With their speed, efficiency, and improved security, they are quickly replacing cloud AI infrastructure. As technology continues to advance, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to these changes. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and training. Thanks for watching.